Welcome back to Ecom Ranks. In this video, I will explain you how are you able to add round categories to your Shopify theme. It will work on all the themes, and this round collection has a lot of features like you are able to change the images, change the title, or add the border to it, or add the glow effect. You are able to add any number of collection to this grid. We are also able to make it like a sliding option with an arrow buttons over here. So it's a complete custom section. I have custom coded it, and so this is quite easy to integrate it to your theme. Welcome to Ecom Ranks. In this video, I will guide you how are you able to add round collection to your Shopify theme. It will work on all the themes or any part of the website. You are able to add this type of round collection to your website. This is pretty useful because it saves a lot of space. The default collection list section takes a lot of space. So it would be good. It would be good if you add this circular round collection to your Shopify website. I have custom coded this section. I will provide it free. I will leave its link in the description. It has a lot of features like you are able to add borders to your round collections. You are able to adjust its size. You are able to add any number of collections or any number of images to this collections. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first things first, we have to be on the home page, and then we have to click on this online store. Once clicked on it, then we are able to have this theme options. Here we see all the themes are listed over here. So this is our active theme. Make sure you have duplicated the theme or add the backup copy of the theme under it. By clicking on this duplicate button, a backup copy of theme has been added over here. So this is pretty useful because if you add a wrong code or anything wrong, you are still able to publish your theme from this. Like once it gets backup, then we will have to start our working. So now so now the backup has been added. Click on this three button, and then we have to click on this edit code. Once clicked on it, it will open the coding part of the theme. So it will look like this one. Then you have to be over here like on sections, right click on it. Once you right click on it, it will give you an option for new file. Click on it and write the name of the file like round collection dot liquid. Make sure this dot liquid extension is must. You can write any name at this part, but this part is compulsory, and you have to write this exactly same dot liquid. After adding the name, hit the enter button. It will add an empty file over here. Then I will leave the link of this Google Doc in the video description. Simply copy it and then paste it over here. Once pasted, you have to hit the save button. Once it gets saved, we have to go back to our theme, click on it, and then click on this customize theme button. Once clicked on it, it will open the theme customization settings. I have already opened it. So what you have to do is you have to click on this add section part. When you click on it, you have to write that circle collection. Click on it and add this to this part. Okay, so our circle collection has been added. You are able to move it to the top. Simply select it and move this to top. So let me disable this option. Okay, so from here we are able to adjust its setting. Like if I scroll down, there is a credits to ecom ranks. You are also able to disable this from here. And let me move to the top of the settings. Here we are able to adjust its heading, the subheading, its alignment. This is pretty easy. You can easily manage it. If I scroll down, there is an option for layout mode. You are able to select the horizontal slider similar to this one. Like this is horizontal slider with an arrow buttons. Okay, from here, if I switch its mode to wrap grid, it will remove the sliding option and it will switch towards the wrap grid option. Let me add another collection to show it in better way. If you have more collections, it will go on next line. If you are on sliding horizontal sliding option, it will be go with remains within same line, but you are able to scroll it to next collection from here. If I scroll down, there is an option for, let me switch back to wrap grid, and there is an option to align it center, then it will align in center. From here we are able to adjust the section width, like if I want to decrease its section width, it will get decreased. From here we are able to increase the width, and if I scroll down, there is an option to increase the gap between the circle, the mobile gap. These are pretty easy to manage. If I scroll down, there is also a very good option which is circle size. From here we are able to reduce the circle size of collections so that you can save the space within your website, and from here you are able to adjust the circle size of the mobile version. Okay, so it's looking really nice. If I further decrease the size, it's perfect now. So once I switch back to the desktop version, if I scroll down, there is an option to customize the border. If I set it to 3px solid border, we are also able to add the dotted border or anything according to your requirement. Okay, if I scroll down, there is an option for show glow around circles. Let me take this option, and it is showing a glow. Okay, so we are able to customize the glow settings from here, its color from here. And if I scroll down, it's have an edge over effects. It's pretty easy to manage. And if I scroll down, there is an option for adjusting the collection title. This is the collection title just under the circle collection. And if I scroll down, there is an option for show navigational arrows. It is for this horizontal slider layout. So it has the slider option with this arrow buttons. We can disable this arrow from here. Okay, these are now, let's move to the collection blocks. These are the collection blocks. Here we are able to assign the collection. I don't have any collection, so let me simply assign this collection. So we see its collection has been assigned over here. Let me write its name like best selling, and we can assign the image from here. Let's add any random image. Let me add this one and select done. You see the image has been added. So it's pretty easy to manage this complete section. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you need any help, just leave a comment below and I will help you out. Thanks for watching.